Bob Barrett, and you're watching Cooking for Dads. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie treats. They're really easy. It's a staple for sleepovers or get-togethers. Mine have chocolate and peanut butter, but you can add whatever you want. Here's how you do it, with closed captioning for the opera Impaired. Melt 1/2 stick of butter.
Melt 1/2 stick of butter.
Then add 10 ounces of mini marshmallows.
And add 10 ounces of miniature marshmallows.
Stir until melted.
Stir until it's melted.
Add the Rice Krispies.
Add the Rice Krispies.
Stir that around until everything is coated.
Stir to coat.
Spread it around.
Spread in a pan to cool.
Cut and serve.
Then cut and serve and eat and smile. Melt 1/2 stick of butter and add 10 ounces of miniature marshmallows. Just melt some butter and then some marshmallows. The little marshmallows, marshmallows, miniature marshmallows. Melt 1/2 stick of butter and add 10 ounces of miniature marshmallows. Stir until it's melted. Spread in a pan to cool, then cut and serve and eat and smile. Cook well, it's worth it. Cook well, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Cook well. Cook well. It's worth it. Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies.
I had this dream, and I had some cooking show, and you were there, and you were there.
You were just dreaming.
But it was so real.
Well, it was a dream. Go back to sleep.
Oh.
It's worth it.
There was this choir, and I had some cooking show and Rice Krispies, and
you were there, and you were there.
okay.
What's wrong?
There was this choir, and there were Rice Krispies, and I had this. My hand is in my face.
Just.
What's
wrong?
I had this dream, and you're laughing. Okay, we're professionals.
I'm not ready.